Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Glossy Box for September 2020. And if you're unfamiliar with Glossy Box is a makeup and beauty subscription for $21 a month, and they send out 5 products every month, and it ranges from deluxe to full-size product. They do offer free shipping in the US, and it costs $5 to ship to Canada. And if you're signed up for the full year, it actually works out to be a little bit cheaper. They are based in Germany, and they also have locations across the UK, Sweden, France, and Norway, and many other different countries. The version that I will be unboxing today is the US version. Now that's out of the way, let's see what we have in this month's box. The box arrived in an outer black box, and I have version number 3. This month we have their usual signature pink box. I really love the quality of these boxes. I usually use them to store things, and they also make great gift boxes. The first item in the box is a brochure, and the theme is spa time. The brochure tells you a bit about the products and the retail value of each of the items. The box is wrapped nicely with tissue paper and a black ribbon. I'm actually a little excited because I know that there will be 6 items in this box. The first item I have in the box is a jade roller. This is one of the items that I've been wanting to try for a very long time. I do have friends who have used these jade rollers, and I have heard a lot of great things about it, and I'm actually glad I now own one myself. This retails for about $21. The jade roller is considered a long-term investment for improving elasticity, radiance, reducing fine lines, and combating puffiness. So how you would use this is after putting on your moisturizer, you would spend 10 minutes rolling from side of mouth up to your ears. You can use the handle for your nose and underneath your eyes area. You can also put this in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. And the second item I have in the box is by Daily Concept, and this is their Daily Beauty Headband, and this retails for $12. It is perfect for sweeping hair off your face when cleansing or applying a face mask, or even control hair as you apply makeup. The soft fabric makes a comfortable fit and absorb the excess moisture. I actually have a headband that is similar to this one, and for some reason I never actually end up using it. I find that it messes up my hair while I'm doing my makeup. I realize that this can also be handy to pull my hair back when I'm doing my skincare routine at nighttime before I go to bed. And the third item I have in the box is by Codex Beauty, and it's the Via Exfoliating Wash. And this face wash lightly exfoliates and tones skin, making it gentle enough for daily use. Jojoba grains provide a non-irritating exfoliation, while castor oil helps clear pores and impurities. This is a deluxe size product that retails for $18 for 36 ml and $45 for 125 ml. You would massage this cleanser gently onto your face and neck in small circular motion, then rinse off with warm water. I actually have a lot of mini exfoliator right now from different subscription boxes, and sometimes I feel like I don't need to buy a full size of any skincare product because all these little size add up to a full size product. The next item I have here is the S'well Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. This is actually a variation item, and it's not on the brochure, so I'll have to look on the internet to see how much this is worth. It looks like this serum is made in Europe and retails for $20 euro for 50 ml and $12 euro for the 30 ml. So when converted, this deluxe size costs $14.07 US. At first I thought this was a face serum, but it turns out to be a hair serum. Its silicone-free, weightless formula is a dream come true for fine hair, adding gloss, concealing split ends, protecting hair from heat tools to allow styling for the perfect professional finish. And the fifth item I have in the box is by Banana Co., and this is the Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. So the ultimate power couple in a jar, this blends of royal jelly and yellow flower is soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distress. This is a deluxe size that's worth $6 for 10 ml, and the full size costs $42 for 70 ml. Gently apply this all over your face in the morning, evening, or both. It also doubles as a great makeup primer. And the last item I have in the box is this Ruby Sheet Mask Recharge Mind and Restore Skin. It is made with Ruby Stone Power and Goji Berry. This actually sounds quite luxurious. This sheet mask retails for $7. A new generation of Korean face mask combines skincare with gemstone therapy, aromatherapy to achieve multi-sensory results. Extract of goji berry, vitamin C, and antioxidants are blended together to restore tired, dull skin. I love sheet masks and I use them all the time, and I never get tired of receiving them. And a reminder that this box costs $21, and this month they include 6 products, so let's go over the value. The first item we have in the box is the Jade Roller for $21, and then the Daily Concept Beauty Headband for $12, and then the Exfoliating Wash for $18. Then we have the Protect and Renew Serum for $14.07, and then the Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream for $6. And last, the Ruby Sheet Mask for $7. So the total value of this month's box is $78.07. I pretty much love everything that's in this month's box. You get 3 deluxe size product and 3 full size product. And my favorite item is the Jade Roller. I can't wait to start using it. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comment section below. And if you're interested in signing up for Glossybox, I will leave a link in the description box below for your first box, 20% off. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!